can we talk about what gold is doing, right? So we're just going to go through the previous analysis, go through previous day, price action, and understand the current market price, what price is doing, and of course we react to that, right? So really quick, but then before we get started on gold, I want to show you some amazing trades that we did take. I'm talking about Euro card. This was a free trade that I think I gave out to my public gang, and of course let me just show you before. Let me show you before right here. This was on December 13th. Let me just help you to zoom in right here. December 13th, when I told my gang took a buy. Let me just do this. I said took a buy on Euro card, and NB, in case of a loss, then it will be a beautiful loss. So why did I say in case of a loss it will be a beautiful loss? Just because I took the entry, or I took the trade based on my strategy, based on my age, right? So in case I take a loss, then it's going to be an amazing thing. At the same time, that's just 1%, right? So it's a good thing when you take an L based off your entry strategy, or based off your strategy, right? So this is when the trade was playing out on 16th. This is it. We were still up 38 pips, boring, and slow. When was this? This was 17, and we were up 66 pip, of course, right here. And of course I do take the trades. I mean, I'm not just talking here, right there. And this was, I believe, yesterday. Yeah, we were up 84 pips, correct? Let's go. And of course we up 130 pips, free trade basically on my free telegram, right? So yeah, like I said before, I take the trade. So this is my entry, 1.49276 right there. And of course we are still targeting all the way up. So I don't care about this madness that the market is doing right now, because that is what the price has been doing basically from last week. When you did take the trade, that was on a Friday. You see, we still have bears coming in, bulls, bears, bulls, bears, bulls, bears, bulls around, bears. So either way, I don't know. Let the market do its thing. Let me just see. I just let the trade do its thing. Now, let's talk about gold. Remember last week we were anticipating a buy once we get a confirmation over here, but then gold never gave us a buy. Gold started creating bearish momentum, correct? Yesterday too, I was looking for sales right here, but it never gave me my edge, never gave me my property, so I did not take that sale position. So right now all I see is that gold is currently at this level. So for now I can say that gold is still giving me my edge, signs that he wants to drop. But the problem is I'm reluctant to take that sale because of this trend line right here. That's it, right here. But the thing is, I see prices are broken out of that trend. Let me try to adjust this, maybe extend that. Yeah, I think it broke. I mean, retested. I mean, hit, bounce off, broke, retested. So I think, yeah. So if my edge is already there, I'm going to take the trade. I won't care about the trend anymore, right? But initially I was kind of reluctant to take that sell over here, but I'm still going to take that trade once I see my last confirmation, which is what I'm waiting for right now. Wait for it and go in for my sale. I'm not going to look for buys until price takes out this downtrend, until price starts printing. Let's just say if I see price going up doing this, I'm not going to take a buy. Wait for price to create a new trend right there, then start riding the wave. Why? Because if you look at this clearly, this is just an uptrend, and that is what we do. We flow with the market, right? So right now, why will I look for buys and the market is giving me lower, high, lower. Oh. Let's start again. Lower, high, lower, high, lower, high. So I'm anticipating this kind of a thing. But then remember, for the past 3 or 4 weeks we were still anticipating that we might target this level, but then gold started consolidating over here Yeah, remember we were saying, oh, price probably might do this, give us this kind of a double top, then we continue riding the wave. But then gold had something else in mind, went back to retest this previous high. I think this is our zone where sellers were, and then we saw all this pressure. So there's still that possibility that we might, go back to retest this level. But then at the same time, remember we still have this level right here, so that marked out. But then I think I'm just going to ignore that. Once I see gold giving me my properties, I'm just going to take the sale, right? But then if I don't see my last confirmation, basically I'm not going to do a thing. Yesterday I was looking for my property over here, but then gold never did that. It never gave me what I was looking for. So right now, that is what I'm looking out for. I'm looking for gold sales. And remember guys, this is just my opinion. If I don't see what I'm looking for, then I'm not going to take a trade. Let's talk about XJPY. I have also Euro JPY in mind right here. Basically, Euro JPY is still in an uptrend, even though we saw a downtrend right here. And of course, price started printing uptrend right there. Correct? Now, I just need to look for buys. For now, I'm looking for buys. But when will I start looking for sales? In case price don't respect my property, this is it. Let the market continue dropping. Let it create new trend right there. Then I start looking for my sale property. I don't care even if I get my entry right here. Right? It's still okay. I'm still going to capitalize on what I get, right? Or I don't care if I don't get my sale property, but then the market continues dropping. It's still okay. Wait for another opportunity, next opportunity. We still have so many pairs, guys, that we should be looking out for. But for now, basically, we're still in an uptrend. Talk about this right here. This is still a trend right here. Then let's talk about maybe what's this? GBPJPY. GBPJPY. Let's look at what she's doing. Same thing, we're still in an uptrend. Price is still going up. Boom, we're still in an uptrend until I see price, start to create new trend, downtrend. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. That's when I should be looking for my sales. But for now, I'm only looking for, looking for buys. So it's just a matter of time before we see maybe price giving us our bullish properties. If it doesn't do that, then guess what? We're not reacting to anything. We just let the market do its thing, right? So 1 2 3, for example, we've seen price, we've seen a faster setup. Of course, we are currently almost hitting that third touch, right? Now if I see GBPJPY probably hitting this level, then goes up without giving my properties, I'll let the market do its thing. I won't take that entry. If I see price continue moving up, then probably even if I get my entry over here after 10 years, it's still an entry, guys. Correct? I won't force anything. I won't force anything. Just let the market do its thing, and I won't chase the trade, right? So I don't know which pair we should look at probably, but then I think those are just amazing pairs. Let me see AUDJPY. In fact, anything that has XJPY, I think it's just the same thing. Look at this. We still see Aussie JPY still in an uptrend, even though we had this as a pullback. Let me just, come on, I don't want to publish that idea. What's wrong with you? Right? We've seen first touch, second touch. Of course, we're currently cruising at the third touch. So look for your properties, of course, bullish properties. Get one, go in for buys. If you don't see one, avoid at all. Don't take the trade, right? So check out my Telegram link in the description box below, and adios, my amigos. Peace.